friend, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is sponsored by Chesona. They were so kind to send me this wireless iPad keyboard for my iPad M2 13-inch, and I'm so excited to unbox it for you guys and give you guys a thorough review. So the packaging was just great. It was nice, pretty, put together, and sturdy. They give us a mission card with their name branding on it, and also coming in the box is a user manual. But these wireless keyboards all kind of have the same gestures, and there are a few mouse pad gestures on the back. It comes with two camera covers, one for an iPad Pro 12.9-inch I believe, and another one for the iPad Air 13-inch. It comes with two USB to USB-C charging cables, which is great. You can have one in your bag, one at work. You don't always have to panic about not having a charger on you for your keyboard case. Now let's go ahead and get into the keyboard case. They sent me the gray color. It does come in gray and black, and it has like this suede smooth type of texture to it. Very heavy duty in my opinion. I like how it's closed off. I do like that it has all the openings for the speakers and the charger. And here I am just opening it up and testing out a few things. Looking at it, it looks very sturdy. The keys are very nice and tackable, and has a very nice trackpad. Now the trackpad is not one of those where you can just tap it and touch. You do have to click. And I do like the brace of the iPad case, the one that is removable from the case. Very durable, and it is bendy, so it does have a silicone feel to it. Now I'm just placing the correct camera cover into the case. It does snap in, it's very easy. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put my iPad Air into the case and see how it fits, along with my Apple Pencil Pro. It did fit well. I didn't have any issues with it or anything like that. And then I snapped the magnetic case back in. Now the back does fold down. It did take me a while to kind of maneuver it to where I wanted it, but it's very nice. As you guys can see, the trackpad is very responsive. The keyboard is easy to connect via Bluetooth, and the keyboard does light up in about 6 different colors. I could not show it here just because they're not as bright as I would like. And here I'm just kind of showing a few features with screenshots, typing, and just maneuvering with the keyboard. It really does give that premium laptop kind of feel to the iPad Air, and I really do like it and its functionality. I also love how versatile it is. I can do anything I would like in either portrait mode or landscape mode without obscuring the view or the comfortability of how I'm using the device, because it is magnetic and I can prop it up any way that is comfortable for me. And being a teacher, it is very, very helpful. This keyboard is compatible with wake and sleep with the iPad when opening and closing it. I love the magnetic clip. It is very sturdy, and it does give quite some weight to the iPad, but it's nothing that I'm bothered by. I do feel like the iPad will be protected, and I like how easy it is to use and how easy it is to connect. Again, I thank Chesona for sponsoring this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Thanks for watching. Bye.